This is a how to add chapter tracks to a QuickTime movie using QuickTime Pro. You want to start with a notepad document where you add the chapters you want. Here I've just had chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Just straight like that, no special formatting. So save that as a text document. You see it's right there. Then I want to open QuickTime, choose Open File. Make sure you choose All Files and find your text file. You see I have it open right here. You can see if you hit play, you see the different chapters that whatever you typed in, they'll show. But we want to change that timing. So you go File, Export. And down here at the export box, choose Text to Text. And under Options, show text descriptors and time, show time relative to start of movie, and fractions of seconds over 1/30. 30 is an option over here if you click that. Okay, so we're going to save this as chapters. Save over the one we just made. And it'll export, and done. So we can close that, and now we'll open our chapters. Let's see if it wasn't so big. And I'm going to use word wrap so you can see that QuickTime added the special code. And that's the code we need if we're going to add it to a movie. But for the HCI class, I have already made template text files, and they are under the current drive under HCI 521 text files. And you see here I've made one for every movie I've added them to. So if I open one of these, you can see word wrap, that code, and you can see the chapters I've added. Now what's in these brackets is the actual timestamps of where these are actually going to go. The 001 is always start. And then second one, third one, and then the bottom one is the end of the movie. So we have our generic chapter 1 right here. It's chapter 1, 2, and 3. You can see the timestamp is 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds. So we're going to take a test movie here. I'm going to open this test movie. You see it's lecture 3 from HCI 521. And to add the movie, to add the chapters, we need to know the exact timestamp. So you want to go to Show Movie Inspector in your video. That will bring up this window. And down here it says current time and duration. The duration is what goes in the bottom box here. That's the length of the movie. Current time is wherever the cursor is at. So when you're going through and adding chapters, we want to pick a spot. Okay, say we want right there for chapter 1. So the current time is 0001:35:63. So for chapter 1, we want 0001:35:63. There. So that will add chapter 1 right there. And say we wanted another one right here. So you can see that this time is 00:27:09:43. So we change the time. you can change the name of this, make it whatever you want, say announcements, and you can change this one to middle. Oh, I forgot that the first timestamp should stay 000000 and say start. You'll see why in the end, because we want start so that people can go right back to the beginning. So we have 00 start. 1 minute, 35 second, 0.63 seconds announcements. 27 minutes, 09 and 0.43 seconds middle. And then let's say we don't need chapter 3, so we can get rid of that. You can copy and paste these two lines as much as you need to add as many chapters as you want. So we're going to change this last one to the length of our movie is 01, 14, 29, 28. 01, 14, 29, 28. And you don't do anything with this code up at the top. That'll stay the same for everything. So we have this. So we're going to save that, and you can close it. You can close that. So we'll go back to the beginning of our movie. Now that we have the chapters file right there, we're going to go File, Open File. Make sure it says All Files, and then find the chapters we've done. You can see now you have a movie that's the same length as your other movie, but it has these chapters. Whatever you typed in, it's got those in there. So what we want to do is edit, select all. You can see the little tabs go all the way to the front and back. Copy. Now copy that. Go to your actual video, and then hit select all, add to movie. You'll see that'll change your movie, and you'll see that ugly little box up there. But don't worry, we'll get rid of it. So now we have this. You want to go to Window, Show Movie Properties. From here, you can see there's the video track, soundtrack. It's hinted because it's streamed. And then our text track that we just added. What you want to do is select the text track, click that little check box, and you'll see it's no longer on our video. If I hit that, you see it shows up. You want to click that so it's gone, and then hit preload. That'll make it show up faster. And then click the video track, other settings. Now under chapters here, we have the text track. You can see as soon as I selected that, this little menu popped up over here in our video. So we're done with the properties. Go back to our video, and now we want to save the video. You want to save as self-contained movie. So you can save it wherever you want. Oh, I can't save it like that. Like W. Okay. So now I save. Saving will take a while. See its progress. It says flattening movie. And it's done. So we can close this, and I'll open test movie with chapters. And you can see now we have chapters that they skip to the different parts of the movie. See, announcements goes to the minute, and middle goes to the 27 minutes in. And that is how you add chapter tracks to a QuickTime movie.